How to speed up slow Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you're watching this, your PC or laptop is probably feeling a little sluggish and you're wondering how to get it back to speed. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you some quick and easy steps to speed up your Windows 10 computer, whether it's a laptop or desktop. These tips can help your device run faster and smoother, so let's dive right in. Open Settings app on your laptop. You can do this by right clicking on the Start button and simply opening Settings menu. Now from there, go to System. After that, scroll down and tap on About. Now what you need to do is simply go to Advanced System Settings. Here what you need to do is go to Settings. Now after Settings menu is open, simply click on Adjust for best performance. And that's it. That's how you simply speed up slow Windows 10 PC or laptop.